Next, we'll discuss regarding the important parameters of the operational amplifier circuit. The first one is voltage gain. What is voltage gain? The voltage gain is the ratio of the output voltage divided by input voltage. So with the help of this ratio, we can get the information about how much percentage of amplification is done by this op-amp. So in this case, the voltage gain is infinity. Infinite voltage gain is there in the op-amp parameters. Then second one is input impedance. So in the ideal case of the op-amp, in the ideal op-amp, whatever the two voltages we are applying to negative and positive terminal of the op-amp, so at that time in both sides the currents are equal to 0. Means at the input stage, whatever the current is flowing towards negative and positive terminal, it is equal to 0 ampere. So if the current is 0 ampere, automatically the input impedance value is infinity. It means high value. Then third parameter. So this output impedance is internally connected at the output stage of the operational amplifier. So in this case, some amount of current is flowing at the output side. Due to that effect, whatever the output impedance is there, it is zero output impedance in the ideal op-amp case. Then the fourth parameter, offset voltage. Offset voltage means if two inputs were applying to both negative and positive terminal of the op-amp, and if both inputs are equal to 0 volt, so that is called as an offset voltage. But in this ideal op-amp characteristics, the offset voltage is equal to 0 volt. So we can consider as it is an input offset voltages. If V1 is equal to V2 is equal to 0 volt. The next parameter, bandwidth. So bandwidth is the difference between the higher frequency and lower frequency, and whatever the range of frequency over the amplification process and its amplification performance is satisfactory by this particular bandwidth, and this bandwidth value is also infinity. Then CMRR is the common mode rejection ratio. Common mode signal means if both inputs are same voltage, the output becomes 0 volt. It is ideally, theoretically, but practically what happens, some difference voltage you will get. So to avoid that common mode error signal, so we are using this parameter. So it is also infinity. The next one is slew rate. Slew rate means what? If any changes in the output voltage, simultaneously there is some change in the input also, and this slew rate is have the ratio. See, according to this equation, if any change in the output voltage with respect to time, simultaneously there is some change in the input. Then last one, no effect of temperature. It means whatever the characteristics of the op-amp does not change with the temperature. If any variation in the temperature, that means if the current, if any variation in the current or if any variation in the temperature of the particular op-amp, so at that time there is no any effect on the op-amp characteristics. So these are the important